Okay, so one of the first things I'm going to do is change the cutter on here. That's how this one says KW. That's for Kwikset. 4 Kwikset keys. 2, 3, 4. Actually, I need another one for the 2, maybe. Let's do 1 to decode what we have. So for this Rytan punch, I'm going to go ahead and take this little screw out. This is how you change it from Schlage. See how it says SCH right there. Take that one out, and then just push that little Allen head right there. I like to just slide it right in, and then it slides. It slides right into that right there. Click. Hold it with your finger. Slide this little piece on. Right there. Just like that. And now we're ready to cut Kwikset keys. So we're going to decode this lock. Now by pulling the cylinder out, inserting a key blank in, and then I'm just going to kind of guess based on how these numbers, see how they go up and down. What we want them to do is we want them to all line up, and then we'll keep cutting down until the sidebar falls into place. So it's sight reading. So that means that needs to be cut down quite a bit. I would call that, let's see, a 5, 1. Okay. 6. Okay, and your key blank. Cut that out and see what that looks like. Okay, so we do 6. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like we were pretty close with this first sight read, but oftentimes you'll have to fine tune it, and that's what we're doing now with another 2 cuts. That actually did work. That was our key code cut. I just needed to press that sidebar down just a little bit to help it. Sometimes these locks can be a little fickle. So now that we have everything lined up, see the sidebar fell into place. So now we can rotate it over, and then we get our magical little tool